easy one we had before. Do you still remember this one?
Ooh.
Okay, who remembers?
Me.
Okay, please tell us, Ella.
Ooh.
Oh, this one is ow. You remember? Ouch.
Oh.
Right? Like you're in a cactus tail, and no, not cactus field. You're like ow.
Ow.
Ow. So this is ow sound. That's a key sound. And then today we have just one alternate spelling for ow, which is this one. This one also makes ow. So let's get started. We are going to focus the key sound ow first. Let's read some words. As we read the words, I'm going to tell you some areas that people normally spell wrong, so you can pay attention, okay? Let's get ready. Eyes on here.
House.
House. So where do you think people normally forget to write when they spell? Yeah, the letter E at the end. Okay, next one.
Mouse.
Mouse. Don't forget the letter E, okay? You right? Let's try this one.
Probably the U.
Okay, let's read the word first.
Found.
Yeah, found. So some people sometimes forget about the sound because it's kind of hiding in the middle of the word, right? Found. Remember the N sound. This one's kind of similar. Go ahead and start.
Ground.
Ground. Where do you think people normally make mistakes on? Yeah, people would forget about N, but sometimes people will forget about this sound here. Ground. All right, next one.
Grounded. About.
About.
Probably the B.
Probably the A, because you guys are familiar with A making a sound, but you know Amelia's name starts with right? But it's letter A, so this sound is from A. About. Okay, next one.
Sprout.
Sprout. Sprout. Okay, Ella, you are not writing yet. We're doing reading. We're not writing yet. Okay. Next one.
Out. Everybody gets that right.
Ella, eyes on here. Put your pencil down. We're doing reading. Out. Okay. Next one.
Out.
Pout. Right? Okay. We only have 2 more left for this one.
Oh, yay.
Cloud. Cloud.
Cloud.
So people sometimes miss this little sound here. So when you write, pay attention. And next one.
It would probably be with D.
Pound. Right? Okay. Can you eat 1 pound of chicken? Pound. Okay. Don't forget this sound. People forget about this when they write. All right, guys, please get ready for the dictation. I'm going to hold this ow sound, the key sound ow, to remind you whenever you hear ow, it's this spelling. You can also write the sound down on your paper to remind you. Let's get started.
Right now.
The first one is pout. Please don't pout. Just write down the word. Pout.
Pout.
How?
Yeah. So, Everett, by the way, if you are done with writing, you can just raise your hand or sign yes, or just give me a signal so I know you're done.
I am done.
Right. So, I'm supposed to control. Here you go. Pout. 下一个 out. Let's go out and play. Out. This is an easy one, right? Please control. Out. Just two sounds.
They're all gonna have OU.
下一个
What's the W one?
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
About. About.
About.
Yep. Let's talk about it. About. Here you go. About. So check your letter B. Check your letter B and see whether it's flipped or not. If it's flipped, and make it flip it back.
This is the first time I ever did it right 2 times.
Okay.
All the time.
Next one. Sprout. Sprout.
That's my favorite change.
Sprout. Do you like eat bean sprouts? Sprout.
Yeah.
There are like 3 sounds at the beginning. It's kind of confusing, so sound it out first before you write. Sprout. Done? Okay, let's try. Control. Sprout.
Today.
Okay. So Frankie, if you can mute yourself, that will be a little helpful because we hear a lot of sounds from your side. Awesome, thank you. Next one. Cloud. Cloud. What color is our clouds?
They're purple.
Cloud. Don't forget the second sound. What do you hear after cloud? All right, here you go. Please control it. Okay, 下一个 found. Found. I found a bunny in the field. Found. Found. Don't forget which sound. Can you please remind me which sound people always forget? Yeah, here you go. Found. Please control. Found. Okay. Last one. Ground.
Ground.
Ground. The ground is wet outside. Ground.
I hope I wish. That was unexpected.
Okay. Please control your spelling. So don't forget this sound here. Ground. Also, check letter D and see whether it is the right letter D. Did you flip your letter D? Okay, let's move on. This is the last one. We're doing this sound. Can you please remind me the sound of this again?
Ow!
Ow, it's the same sound, right? By the way, this one also makes the O sound sometimes, right? But for now, today, since we are working on ow sound, so this is the alternate spelling for ow. Okay, so all the words we're reading today has the spelling. We'll have the ow sound in there. Let's get started. The first one's super easy. Go ahead, start reading.
Cow.
Yeah, cow. Next one.
Owl.
Yeah, owl. There are two animals here. Next one.
Brown.
Brown, right? Brown. So can you please tell me which letter people might miss when they write? Everett, go ahead.
The R or the A?
Yeah, the R. Normally people like forget about this super quick sound in the middle. So brown. 下一个.
Hello.
Yeah, this one's interesting.
Hello, paint.
Remember, OW makes what sound? Ow.
Oh, wow.
Try it again.
Wow.
Allow. Does your mom allow you to watch TV now? Allow.
Yes.
Okay. This part is the part people might make mistakes. You do hear only one L sound, but there are two L's there, right? Allow. Remember this one? There are 4 more left. Next one.
Town.
Town. Coming into the town. Please go ahead and read town. This one should be easy. There you go.
Now.
Pay attention now, right? 2 more left, guys. This one. Tower, right? So there is this area some people might forget. You remember we learned the sound already? Mostly is ER. So when you hear it's ER this time. Last one. Shower. Did you take a shower today?
Not at the morning. I only take it at night. No.
So look at the sound here. It's the same. Okay. Get ready, guys. We are going to do our dictation. This is the last part of our lesson. I'm going to put this owl spelling here. You can also write it down on your paper to remind you. All the words you hear will have an owl sound. The owl sound is from this spelling pattern, OW.
Okay.
准备好了吗？
好了。
Okay, let's get started. The first one, 第一个 now. Please write down now. Done? This one's very easy, right? Here you go.
Wish I could tell.
Now. 下一个 town. Do you want to go out of the town? Please write down town. Okay. Seems like you guys are done. Let's control. How was it? Did you guys did you write the N at the end?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Next one is an animal. Do you want to guess?
Cow.
Cow. Yes, cow. Please go ahead and write down cow.
Done.
So when you hear "k" at the beginning of a word, mostly it is what?
C.
Yeah, we learned about this. It's C. Here you go, cow. And next one's also an animal. Can you please guess?
What was the other animal?
Owl. What was it? Yes, owl. Go ahead.
Done. Whoa.
Okay, go ahead to see. Owl. It's really easy. Just 2 sounds, right? Okay. Next one is a color. Do you want to guess?
Brown.
Yeah, brown. Go ahead, start.
Oh, brown.
Okay, remember there are 2 sounds people might forget when they spell. Okay, Everett. You done? Okay, here you go. Brown. Right? 下一个 allow allow allow. Do you remember there is a trick in the middle that Ella, we can hear you. If you're gonna talk, you're gonna have to mute because we're in the middle of the lesson. Okay? Do you remember we talked about this one is kind of a special? Remember to double a letter in the middle. Let's see. Control, please. Did you double the L? Yeah. Allow. Allow. We only have 2 left, guys. The first one is build. It's a kind of building. Do you want to guess?
Tower.
Yes, tower. Go ahead.
Tower. It's like town, but yeah.
Okay, remember the key spelling for sound.
Done.
Okay, control it. Here you go. To, out, Did you use ER for sound? Okay. Last one. Do you still remember how to say last one in Chinese?
最后一个
Yes, 最后一个 shower.
I don't remember when I took a shower. I got brainwashed.
Shower.
I'm gonna draw a picture of somebody in a shower.
Okay, I'm going to control for you. Shower. Okay, just to make sure the is the key spelling ER. That is it. Today's is very easy, right? I'm going to put this on the screen again. 2 sounds that we learned today. This is the key sound makes out sound. By the way, when you say ouch, it's actually, if you want to spell ouch, it's actually this one, the key sound. Then the other one is the alternate spelling, ow. Sometimes it makes O sound. So you're going to really have to think when you see a word with a spelling pattern, whether it should make ow or O based on common sense, based on the context. Okay, I'm going to stop recording, then we can chat a little bit, okay?